Remove the remaining paint from the gun and add some water to flush the cup. Remove the drip protector from the lid. Make sure the hole in the drip protector is clean. If not, soak it in some solvent. Since the drip protector is removed, you can hold your finger over the hole and shake the gun. Be sure to have a slop bucket handy. Add some more water to the cup and snap on your air hose. As you are giving the gun full trigger, you want to move your finger on and off the air cap, which will backflush the solvent through the fluid channel. Here is what it looks like with the lid removed. By the way, professionals using solvent-based materials are required by law to have a gun cleaning cabinet. I'll do this backflushing process through several changes of water or solvent until it comes out clean. Next, I remove the cup from the gun body. By the way, some of the paint has dried on the inside of the cup. Once acrylic latex paint dries, water won't touch it, and this will have to be cleaned with a solvent such as lacquer thinner. I remove the air cap and, using a gun wrench, the fluid tip. A gun wrench should have been supplied with your spray gun. If you pull back the trigger, the tip will hand screw off a little easier. Inspect the fluid passage and make sure it's clean. Most guns come with a cleaning brush included. However, I purchased this set of small brushes to help with small passages. If I've been spraying clear, I may not be able to see any blockage on the inside. By the way, there is lacquer thinner in this glass cup. On the air cap, I make absolutely sure that all material is removed from the wings. Any buildup left here will cause a poorly formed spray pattern the next time I use the gun. After soaking in some solvent, I'll blow air through all the passages, making sure they're absolutely clean. Again, if you don't have a clean air cap, the gun will not spray a solid pattern. Most of the time I will not break the gun down any further. However, once in a while you should do some maintenance on the needle. I remove the needle, clean and inspect. Make sure not to lose the spring. You can push the needle from the front to help pull it out. Apply a light coat of lithium grease and slide the needle back through the packing. I will also apply some lithium to the threads on the adjustment. Again, this only needs to be done once in a while to keep the needle moving freely. Grease the threads on the fluid nozzle. While pulling the trigger back, screw it on and tighten with your gun wrench. Screw on the air cap, and you're all set for your next job. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please post them and I'll certainly respond to you. Make it a great day, and thanks for watching.
Check out our tools I use Amazon online store at www.budmanproductions.com. That's www.budmanproductions.com.